Hi friends, welcome back to Jolys kitchen. Today we are going to make special raw banana curd recipe. This recipe is usually served along with rice only. Just give it a try. Let's move to the video. In a cooker, take 1 chopped raw banana, add 1/4 teaspoon turmeric powder, 1 teaspoon red chili powder, half teaspoon salt, 3 green chili slits, add some water required to cook the banana. Close the lid and cook for 1 whistle on high flame. After 1 whistle, switch off the flame and keep it rest for 15 minutes. In the meanwhile, we can make the coconut paste. In a grinder jar, take 3/4 cup of grated coconut, add half cup of water and grind it into a paste form. After 15 minutes, we can open the lid. Banana has cooked well. Keep it low flame and add the grinded coconut paste to it. Mix it well. Cook on medium flame until it starts boiling. When it just starts boiling, add half cup of grated milk. Mix it well. Cook on low flame for a minute. After a minute, switch off the flame. Finally, in a pan, take 1 tablespoon oil and heat it. When the oil is hot, add half teaspoon mustard seeds and wait until it sputters. When it starts spluttering, add 1/4 teaspoon fenugreek seeds to it. After 10 seconds, add 5 to 6 sliced shallots, some curry leaves. Saute it for 3 minutes until it becomes light golden color. Now, switch off the flame. Add this on top of the curry. Don't stir it now, close the lid, stir only after 10 minutes.
If you have not subscribed to our channel, please do subscribe and support. To receive latest video notification, don't forget to enable bell icon.
Our special raw banana curd recipe is ready. This recipe is usually served along with rice only. Just give it a try. You will really enjoy it.
If you enjoyed this video, please press like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe to our channel. Comment below your suggestions. We will come back with another video. Thanks for watching the video.